Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Fever Word, and I've come again with another mind-blowing video. So this particular braid hairstyle transformation is actually a one-side braid hairstyle tutorial. Have you been thinking of how to make a one-side braid hairstyle and you don't know how to section it, you don't know how to describe it to your hairstylist? Save this video and show it to your hairstylist. In this particular video, you'll be seeing so many one-style braid hairstyle transformation, which is stitch braids. You will see the cornrow. Just cornrow, I mean, is just the normal all back on. Wow, this particular hairstylist is actually doing a perfect job because making stitch braid hairstyle is not easy, let alone doing a stylish one. And again, girl, you have a healthy hair because what is this? Your head is so full and fluffy, and your skull is neat. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Wow, the hairstylist actually did a perfect job. If today's your first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel, where I make video about beauty, fashion, hairstyle, and everything between, everything that has to do with beauty and fashion. Click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. Where are my girlies that love a beautiful, stylish braid hairstyle? Check out this beautiful one. Like, hey God, this one is so beautiful. You can't tell me that you don't like this one because for me, I love it. I love it. Girl, you deserve your flowers. You deserve your flowers because it's beautiful. This particular one is just a normal cornrow stitch braid hairstyle. You can actually make this one with one braiding hair extension, just one pack of attachment, and it will come out so neat and beautiful. Wow. Your hair look beautiful, girl. Tell me where you're watching from. And again, do not forget to leave a comment. Tell us which of this braid hairstyle that is your favorite. Will you be trying out any of it? Have you tried out any of it? Tell us, what was your experience? Was it a case of what I ordered versus what I got? Or did your hairstylist actually give you what you ordered for? Okay, try to check out other of our videos in this channel because we have videos about short braid hairstyles, the red lock hairstyles, so many braiding hairstyle transformation. We have it in this particular channel, so check it out. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, like the video, share it out, and most importantly, tell us where you're watching from so that we can give you a welcome hug in our next video. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye.